Rainforest, we learn about fifth. So we're gonna go from the position, find the middle C, and right hand next to it is D. So here we're gonna jump 5 steps. From here, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jump from here to here. Ready, set, go. F, C, D. This song requires pedal and hold all the way through. This song requires pedal and hold all the way through. Ready, set, go. F, C, D, A, F, C,